What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change appearance in Where Winds Meet. So if you wanna customize your character in detail, including his hairstyle, nose, eyes, ears, lips. So if you wanna customize all of these things, then I'm gonna show you the entire process. First of all, we need to complete Steal Shore quest, which unlocks during main story quest an urgent word. And to do that, firstly we need to go to the Evercare clinic and then you'll find this lady. We need to talk to her. After that, in her discussion, we need to select help unlock the second floor door, and after that, the second floor will be unlocked. Then go to the second floor. Once you reach there, open all of the chests to unlock the rewards. After that, we need to go to this candle table and select the option of set of daggers. Now we need to go to balcony. From here you can see this well, and to open the entrance from this well, we need to fire flaming arrows, and to do that, we need to bring up our bow. To equip the bow, we need to scroll up on our mouse, or you can press L2 and R2 on your PlayStation controller to switch your weapon to bow. Once you have bow in your hand, then we need to fire flaming arrows. If you fire normal arrows, then the entrance will not be opened. To get flaming arrows, we need to press cross or triangle on PlayStation to switch our arrows to flaming arrows, and if you are on PC, then we have to hold Alt key on our keyboard and then scroll using your mouse in order to switch to flaming arrows. Once you have your setup complete, fire the arrows onto the well, and now you can see our entrance has been opened from the well. We just need to go into that entrance, and after that we'll enter this place. From here, just collect the rewards. After that, we just need to complete all of the quests which will be shown on the top left corner of your screen. And once you complete all of the quest, you will meet this guy at the end of the challenge. And what we need to do, we just need to go and talk to him, and after that he will ask you to start fresh. So we just need to select these guys, and after that your character appearance options will be shown to you, and from here you can choose your features such as overall head, forehead, sides of forehead. So basically you can go through all of these options and customize your character like you want. So let's say I wanna change my cheeks, then I can do that from here. If you wanna change your jawline, jaw angle, chin size, so everything can be customized from here. You can also change your eyes, nose, lips. You can also change your lips color. Then in case you wanna change your ears, then you can do that too. Then we have makeup. From here you can change the makeup sets, foundation, eyebrows, pupils, eye makeup, lip makeup, blush, facial accessory, facial hair. So everything can be customized. You just need to go through all of these options and your character can be customized. So let's say I wanna change the foundation, then I can choose any of the skin tone from here, and that will reflect on my character. You can see the preview screen. And also if you wanna change your facial accessory, then that can be changed as well. You can see I wanna have this beard on my character, then I can just choose that. If you wanna do smart customization, then you can do that too. You can also upload your own image here so that your character will look like you. Also we have an option of hairstyle. Select the hairstyle which fits best for your character. I'm just gonna go with this one, and after that we can also choose our desired outfit. So I wanna go with this one. After that you can also change your background. Then we have pose, duo pose. So basically we have to complete our Steal Shore quest, and after that we'll be able to change the appearance of our character. This is the entire process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.